MLM, home-based business opportunities, that's what you're searching for, right? Good conversation to have, great search, I can help you out. My name's Brando Linick. The first thing I can tell you in this video, and the reason why you're going to want to pay attention, is because I figured instead of really throwing at you a bunch of opportunities, a bunch of things where you got to go do, research on Google, go through more YouTube videos just to overwhelm you and confuse you, I would actually just, simply break down the reasons why things work the way they do in network marketing opportunities where you're working from home. That way, when things change, when opportunities change, when products change, when the marketplace changes, which it always will change, you're not left there stranded in the dust wondering what the heck just happened while some people prosper and other people don't, okay? And this is what's going to really allow you to go out there, and it won't matter what the company is, what the products are, what the services are, you'll be able to really go out there and build a massive, massive multi-level marketing organization. So what I'm talking about here is something every person who I've met who's made anywhere from $1,000 a month up to and over a monthly six-figure income understands and applies in their business on a daily consistent basis. And what I'm talking about here is mastering the skill of sponsoring. People who don't know how to do this, they grind their gears, they really struggle. It's something I used to struggle with going back 12 months ago until I found a guy who was using and leveraging the internet, which I'll get to in a second here, but you got to learn how to master sponsoring, okay? If you want to get involved in opportunity in the network marketing space, it doesn't matter what it is you get involved with, you need to master sponsoring. And this is done through list building, which you should be doing every single day. And when you don't have those two things down, all right, it's going to be very, very difficult for you to get involved in any type of opportunity in the network marketing space to make any significant income. I'll tell you, I've seen a lot of people get started in really, really good multi-level marketing opportunities, and because they fail to learn any real marketing skills, okay, because they fail to learn how to promote themselves as a leader, to sponsor people, okay, they don't make any money. They make really, really tiny checks, all right? And I highly doubt you want to fall into that category. So what do you do next? What do you really do? Where do you start? All right, these are good questions to ask, and these are questions you should be asking. And my suggestion is you start with list building first, because if you don't have a list, you can't sponsor people. So if you're someone who's got a list of professional contacts you built up throughout the last couple of years, you kind of got a foot in the game, you got your foot through the door, and you can start building a network marketing business in any opportunity you choose just with that list. But if you're someone who doesn't, all right, if you're someone who doesn't have that list, I'm telling you, going back 12 months ago, I was that same person too, and it was painful. I was trying a whole bunch of things. I was prospecting strangers, and it really wasn't up until I transitioned myself 12 months ago after really beating my head against the wall doing all those things. Not to say they don't work, they do, but you got to have the tenacity to be speaking to people all the time who are not interested in what it is that you're doing, and it's really painful. I wouldn't suggest it on anyone. And it really wasn't until 12 months ago when I found someone who's getting the results that I wanted in a network marketing opportunity using and leveraging the internet, and he was doing it through personally branded systems online. And I would suggest that you do the same. If you don't have that list, seriously look at the internet as a way and means to build that list, to sponsor people, because 12 months ago when I plugged into him, it took me 2 weeks to create a full-time income working very part-time, very strategically, and just in the last 2 months I've been able to, through personally branded systems, bring in a person a day, bring in 2 people a day consistently, all right? But I won't tell you the internet's the only way to go, because that'd be a bunch of crap. But I am saying this, if you don't have that list and you want to learn how to sponsor, you want to learn the skills to sponsor and sell, all right, learning the skills is going to be the list. And if you don't have the list, you can't learn the skills. So master that, master the art of both. That's just my tip and rant for today. If you want to learn a little bit more about how to leverage personally branded systems online to get the results that you want in any network marketing home-based business opportunity, you can check out my website. It's 123marketingtips.com. What you'll see there's 2 things. The first is a breakdown video. It's 4 minutes long, talking about how you can do this to get the results that you want on the internet. And then after that, you'll see testimonials from people who I personally work with. So my friend, appreciate you for coming by and checking out this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.